Hazrat Ubaidullah bin Abdullah bin Utbah radiyallahu anhu narrates, the news reached us that Musallima, the great liar, came to Medina Munawwara and stayed in the house of Haris' daughter, who was married to him and was the mother of Abdullah bin Amir. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam took Hazrat Sabit bin Qais, called the orator of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, along with him and went to Muslima. Whereas Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam had a branch of a tree in his hand. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam stood beside him and had a dialogue with him. Musallima said to him, "You should not become a hurdle in the way of my rule and appoint me your successor after you." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to him, "If you ask even this branch for me, I will not give it to you. And I observe that you are the same person whom I saw in my dream, and Sabit bin Qais will further answer your questions on my behalf." Then the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam came back. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4378.